1, 2, 3, fuck it.
The ultimate dad swag, and today we're going to be unboxing some of the best designer gifts for dad this Father's Day. Plus we've got an epic giveaway, so make sure you watch to the end of this video to find out how you can win. But first, let's rewind. All right, first up. Oh, okay. Here we go. Oh, really light. Oh, wait. First up is the Jex vinyl stand from Idle Hands. So he is vinyl storage. He fits about 20 LPs. It doesn't really matter if you've got a big collection or a little collection. I think it's just a really nice way to display your vinyl. It's a bit of a display piece. So let's see how this guy works. Pop him in. Now he reckons he fits 20, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, score 21. Cheeky extra. That is pretty cool. Bellroy, delight in the detail. Designer edition. Here we go. Oh yes. How beautiful is that? Beautiful typographic detail there. Subtle embellishments and fine finishes make lush European leathers and beautifully clean silhouettes. You guys. Okay. Here we have the note sleeve in European leather. You've got space for 3 of your cards up the front. Then, if you need some more card space, they've got that really cool pull-out tab. The thing I love about Bellroy, really good quality. Because they're gonna last you a lifetime, I have got proof. Jono, chuck us your wallet. Cool. Slightly different wallet, still Bellroy. Jono, how old is this? 9 years, brand new. That still looks pretty damn good. I love that. That's still in very good nick. Oh, Bellroy, note sleeve. Ooh-wee. The fit. Time is what we make it. Love that little detailing. What do we got? Ah, that is a damn fine watch for a very lucky daddy-o laddie-o. These guys are all about really beautiful, limited edition, timeless pieces. Timeless. See what I did there? I've got little girly size. Technically, I know this is for dad, but I'm just saying that that looks nice on me. Maybe we should see it on a dude. Jono, you're up.
I got a really big wrist.
Oh, that looks good.
She's already ticking.
Do you want that for, well, you're not a dad.
I'm not a dad.
You don't get anything. Bed, I love these guys. Bed Footwear are super comfortable because their owner and designer is a podiatrist, but a cool one. So all of their shoes are really comfy and they do really nice men's shoes as well. They all come in these beautiful calico bags. Oh, okay. I like these sort of desert boot looks. Awesome. Oh, I like that. You can do what I do and use these when you're traveling. These are really nice. I wonder if they have them in girl style. So these are the titanium light tan suede. This is for like a pretty cool dad. This is for like, you know, an all-rounder, but someone that knows what he's doing. What is it, a 43? What size is a 43? 10? What size are you?
Like an 11.
Oh, they look nice. Oh, they look good. Oh, they look really nice. Next. The Triumph and Disaster. Ooh, oh, that's cool. Oh my God, that's like the coolest looking deodorant I think I've ever seen. Frankincense, bay leaf, and clove collide to calm perspiration and neutralize odor. Dance. Ooh. Oh my God, that's really, really nice. Okay, and what do we got here? The Road Less Traveled. This is part of Triumph and Disaster's Hair Edition. Awesome canvas bag. Oh, I love the coloring of this bag. Oh, and fun. Oh my God, I love that pop of orange. Shampoo and conditioner. So we've got little pocket size. Which one is for which? That one smells really good. Bit of texture. Just a cheeky hanky, because lads, you always need a hanky, because what if a poor young lady happens to be sad and needs to have her tears wiped up? Ram mount from Modest Mounts. These are really good for your mobile, for your car. So these guys have got a suction cap, so they can stick to any surface. So whether that's on your dash or if it's on your window, wherever it is. And then they've also got this ball joint here, so you can unscrew that and you can move it to wherever you need to move it to. And then, because everybody's got a bloody different phone all the time, you can push it down and it'll fit any device. Because my man has a 4-wheel drive, he swears by this, and he reckons these are the only things strong enough to hold your phone in place. Perfect. Basically, this is really good for a car, for a boat, especially 4-wheel drive, anywhere with a windscreen really, where you're going to be bashing it around and you need to keep your phone in place. $18.98. Driza-Bone. Not a new brand, but definitely a cool brand. Ooh-wee, perfect for winter knitwear. This is a bit cooler than your socks and jocks Prezi for your dad. We've got a beautiful knitted beanie from Australian-made merino wool. And oh my gosh. Okay, I love these jumpers. Look at these sick little elbow pads and shoulder pads. Driza-Bone, such an iconic Aussie brand. They do such high quality products, especially their knitwear as well. Very Aussie. I mean, they're just an Australian icon, to be honest. I'm gonna have to try this on. It's so not a girl's jumper, but rolling with the homies. Do you want to try it on?
I have to.
Come on. Oh, that looks good. Oh. July. This is a nice big ass box. That's a bit special. You get your canvas bag. This is sexy. Very good looking suitcase. Pop. So what have we got here? Oh, charger. Why do I have a cable? What? Got its own power bank. So you can plug yourself in. Oh, whew. My suitcase does not do that. What have we got in here? That is a damn fun looking laundry bag. Handy side pocket. This guy actually comes with its own compression pad. So it makes it easier for you to flatten down and push down all of your goodies. And I guess it keeps your clothes straight as well. We've got another zip out compartment here as well. I've never seen a suitcase this cool. 360 wheels. Alrighty, Balter Beer. Look guys, it's beer and it has a smiley face because when you drink beer, you get happy. I mean, it's for Father's Day. So this is probably the safest bet for your father. Ooh, look at this sick esky. Maybe he likes going out on the boat. Maybe he likes camping. That is a very good size beer cooler for your kiddies. We got XPA, Captain Sensible, Strong Pale Ale, and RPA. So you can fit 4 in there. And a little snack pack. Maybe some sandwich, maybe some what? Doritos. Oh, there's something else in here. What do we got? The beer opener. Oh, it's a little tinny. Oh, I love it. That is super cool. 4 beers, a tinny opener, and an esky. What dad's not gonna love that? So if your dad appreciates quality, great design, and presents, he's probably gonna love one of these gifts. Now I mentioned at the start of this video that we had a giveaway, but that was a lie. Because I've got 3. I'm giving away 3 of these epic prize packs. Each prize pack includes a Jex vinyl stand from Idle Hands, a designer edition note sleeve wallet from Bellroy, a limited edition watch from The Fifth, a pair of shoes of your choice from Baird Footwear, a travel kit from Triumph and Disaster, a ram mount from Modest Mounts, merino wool knitwear from Driza-Bone, a carry-on suitcase from July, and a bag full of happiness from Balter. So if you want to be in the running to win, all you need to do is head to our website, huntingforgeorge.com, find our Father's Day gift guide and enter your details online, and you can be in the running to win all of this. Good luck!